how to add email address on Cash App. If you want to add an email address to Cash App, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch Cash App and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. After you tap on the profile icon, under account and settings, you'll find an option that says personal, so just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on the personal options, you can simply scroll, and here under contact info you'll find an option which is your email, and it also says add phone or email. So even if you already have one email, you can also choose to add a secondary email by tapping on add phone or email option, tapping on add email address, entering the new email address that you would like to use for this particular Cash App account again, and you can also choose to make that your primary email. Then just tap the next option. Then you should be able to verify the code and the on-screen instructions to be able to add those email on Cash App. So I hope this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.